Alright, so I have my original harness here, and I took the wrapping off, and I have brown, purple, gray, and black. I've cut the ends off, and I have purple and gray on the shorter one. Not the shortest, this is the shortest one. And this is brown, black, and gray. And the other one right here has brown, black, and gray also. So my concern is two things. I can rewire this, but it seems pretty clean, but I can rewire it. Second, I purchased these guys, and they have two coming out of it. So what I'm worried about is figuring out, do I put the red on both the black and the brown, and then the black or the gray on the black, since that would be the ground, I believe. And then if the brown flickers, that would flick this. Or do I have to use the ones with 3? And if so, I'm obviously black would go to gray, but I don't know what these two would then go to determine that, if I were going to use this style. And on top of that, I have done the same for the other. And this one has purple, green, brown coming out of it, as you can see. So there's both harnesses that I took apart today, and I'm getting ready to rewire together. From the American Auto Wire, the 71 to 74 Mopar B battery. When looking at the harness, the rear body insulation harness, we are right here, which is FFGF, that goes to the left taillight harness. And that's 2 greens, a black, a purple, and a brown. And so that kind of gives you an idea of how that works. And then I'm wondering if I got to tap in both of them, or do I connect those two together from the tail light, because this is the whole rear harness, and that's the reference I have. Obviously I'll be putting it into that, but these are the ones I got to wire up to. New ones of these guys with new wire. And then for the connectors, I won't need to use these, right? I will have to get new connectors, those F's to use. Let me know.